about leverage. You gotta have a big stick. Okay, you guys, moment of truth. Got this bad boy out. Now I can start ripping apart, putting the new parts on, and rebuilding the diff. Cutting down the dust shields, take off the hubs, put the 370 Z1s on, and yeah, man, it's gonna be fucking nice. Got one of the corners out. Damn. It's just crazy, man. So now I use the big die right here to push this out, and boom, that's it. Push out the rest of it too. You guys saw on the corners of the subframe, this is the best way that works for me. 7/8 wrench at the bottom and the breaker bar up top. So it's working. What can I say? Go with what works. Don't complicate it. So you guys, I lucked out for most of the part, getting it done. I thought I would have to wait to get the other part of that bushing out, but I looked at the washer and it looked very close to the size, so I decided to give it a shot, and it's pushing it down. This side, let me with that one. I thought that was gonna fit, but no. And I bent that part. So I probably have to see if I order another one and see about if I can find one local. So you guys can see, that's how it looked before. And that's how it's looking now on this side. So I'm pretty stoked. Got this bad boy out, the differential subframe bushing, and it was a hell of a lot easier than trying to saw it out from videos I've seen on YouTube. So I definitely didn't want to go that route, so I got the tool from Z1. a hell of a lot easier. What's up, Z1? Any sponsorships or what? Let me know. All right, you guys, give you a quick update. I was able to get these bushings and the metal sleeves that was inside of them out. Here they are right here. So these were sitting inside those. In order to get to the metal sleeve, I had to borrow these out. Finally got these assholes out. Ain't that right, Alex?
Yeah, finally.
Such a pain in the ass. Look at that.